you want me to send you words of encouragement while you do laundry? I got you. Don't just let those dirty laundries pile up. Every day, millions and millions of socks and underwear and dirty clothes are piled up in people's bedrooms, bathrooms, maybe even living rooms. But you too can make a difference. All you need to do is at least laundry once a week. You put the laundry in the washer, you put the soap in. You can do it. I know it seems like an insurmountable task, but you can do this. You are a warrior. You are strong. You are independent. And you can do your own laundry. Just follow the instructions on whatever laundry soap you're using. If you want to use fabric softener, you can. You can. Then, all you need to do is transfer that clean clothes to a dryer. I know, it's tempting to just leave it dry. I know it's tempting to leave it dry. I understand. But it's going to get moldy and it's going to get stinky. Maximum, leave it a day. Maximum. But you know what? You already did the laundry today. You already washed it. So get up and do the dryer. Put the clothes from the washer, put it in the dryer. Make sure to put a laundry sheet or one of those wool balls or whatever you use. Put one in there so your clothes comes out smelling fresh and doesn't have static electricity and shocks you back to life when you take it out. Or do, but really, I don't want to. Yes, if you don't have a dryer, that's okay. You can throw out a clothing line outside, hang up your clothes, and if you don't have a clothing line, then use a jump rope and use that as a clothing line. Then, you know what? You've done such a great job washing and drying your clothes. You have one step left. You grab the clothes, you bring it upstairs, and you put it away. Listen, I know how hard it is. I know the pain. You're tired, you had a long day, but you can do it. You can grab your clothes and either fold it away, or if you have hangers, hang them up. You know what? While you're at it, do yourself a favor. Take your socks, bunch them together by two, roll them up, just like this. You know, I'm going to show you what you should do. Take your socks, roll them up. You will thank me later. And then the next week and the week after that, you're going to constantly roll your socks together, because you know what? Tomorrow self, so your tomorrow self is going to love you and thank you, because you're not going to have to find different colored socks because you can't find the damn matching sock because apparently the washer or dry machine ate it. But you can do it. I know it's hard, but you can do it. Roll them together, and tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, you're going to thank yourself for rolling up your socks. And last but certainly not least, go to the fridge, get yourself your favorite beverage, and have yourself a drink. Whether you're a teen having whatever soft drink, or maybe it's juice, whatever it is, go ahead, reward yourself. As an adult, if you're drinking the spicy juice, that's okay, because you deserve that time for doing the damn laundry, because nobody likes doing the laundry. You are welcome.